Hi guys. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to extract a bank statement using PDF.co and Make. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample bank statement in this demo. So, let's begin the extraction using Make. First, log into your Make account and click the Create a New Scenario button. Next, search and select the Google Drive module. Then, select the Download a File as a trigger. Let's set up the configuration. In the Enter a File ID field, choose Select from the list to fill out the file ID. For the Choose a Drive field, select My Drive. Under the File ID field, choose the folder where your file resides. Now, let's add another module. This time select PDF.co so we can call the module to extract bank statements. Next, select the Parse a Document module to parse data from documents. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. In the Input File field, select Upload a File. It will automatically load files from Google Drive. In the Document Parser Template ID field, add the ID of your template. For the Output Format field, choose the JSON format. After setting up the configuration, click on the Run button. Once the scenario runs successfully, kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the extracted data from bank statements in JSON formats. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.